What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I thought, you know what, let's do a little video speaking about LLF games. I know some of you want to know just how much I make via this platform, and today we are actually doing a live draw on the M3 Touring and the Golf R32 over there. We've got a man like Z, obviously Joe on the camera, but yeah, just join me for a live draw. I'm going to show you exactly what happens behind closed doors. Probably got about half an hour to the live draw. I've got to rearrange this unit, get the smoke going, get the lights going, so yeah, enjoy the video.
Before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel and make sure bell notifications are set to all so you're notified the second I release a video. So guys, before we get into today's video, I just wanted to say RIP DP. You probably would have seen all the stuff on social media yesterday. This young brother took his life, massive car enthusiast. I think he owned an RS3, possibly a Range Rover as well. And yeah, it is actually really sad. When you see the brother, it's like I'm looking at one of my friends, do you know what I mean? Seemed like a real stand-up guy. And yeah, from what I've heard, he took his life. So I just want to say RIP DP. Any friends or family that are watching, I hope I've not offended you. I really am sorry for your loss. Hopefully this is a wake-up call for some of you to realise that people can come across normal from the exterior, but mentally, you know, they're fighting demons, you know. So yeah, we should try and act on this and just make it a normal thing to regularly check up on family, friends, brothers, whoever it may be. So let me put you back into the video.
Full tank, full of gasoline. We on breeze like fast. Twin turbo, that's tag team. Drag race, no drag queen. Straight fuel injection, that's max speed, no vaccine.
Right, so guys, first problem, this R32 has been sitting in this unit for probably about 2 weeks and we can't charge it. Z, what are we saying, broski? Flop.
The plug's broken.
Oh shit, you broke the plug.
I didn't break it.
Oh my god.
I think the RS was on top of it.
Oh, bro, ski. Alright, well, we're just going to have to leave that there then, because for the live draw, we can't move it. That's a fail, so that car's got to stay there. What we'll do, let's move this M3 Touring over, so we try to get some symmetry going, because man like Ricky's got OCD, trust me. So that's, we're just, so we need to get the computer on. iPad turned on. You're right, it's not even charging, Z. Bro, you're just breaking shit out here today. Bro, this is a fail, you know that. Have you noticed, Z, all the lights as well in here? Where's my phone? Yeah, it's probably on silent as well. That's what I do. Like, I forget my shit. No man talks about the belly. This is the belly. No, I'm ringing. Fuck's sakes.
Oh, we need that as well.
Quick little update, guys. We've got the car set up, we've got the lights on. Kind of happy with the lighting. One more issue now is I have no reception in here. Can I tether off your phone or something? Or I only need to tether it once just to. Cool.
Why don't we do it with the BM? Otherwise, you're looking at that.
Yeah, it's alright. Right, let's do this live, guys. Presenter Ricky and that. So yeah, guys, someone is about to win the M3 Touring. It's been a mad one today. Loads of re-spins and yeah, we're gonna find out who's won this car. Hopefully he's on the live draw as well. Max tickets 9995. That is correct, right? So yeah, let's just get it over and done with. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. We've got a winner. 7386. Oh, we've got a winner. Safraz Ali. Yep. 7386. Let's just double check.
Yep.
7386.
Safraz Ali.
Ticket number 7386. Wow, Safraz Ali, you are a very lucky man. A very lucky man. He just won himself an M3 Touring.
Ricky?
Yeah, Ricky, you entered a competition on the M3 Touring.
Yeah?
You've won it.
You having a laugh at me or what?
No, mate, you've won it. Honestly, you've just won the M3 Touring.
Whoa, wait a minute, you're joking me now, you know?
You entered, right? The M3 Touring?
Yeah?
Yeah, you've won it, mate. You've won it, genuinely.
Are you serious or what?
I'm being serious, brother. You won the car.
I don't believe it, man. Are you winding me up?
I'm not winding you up, bro. I'm telling you. Do you watch the channel, LivingLifeFast? Do you watch the channel?
Yeah, man. Of course I do.
It's me, innit, Ricky? I'm calling you live on the draw right now.
Man. Oh my god.
Bro, you won the car.
Wait.
You won the
Are
car.
You winding me up now,
I'm not winding you up, bro.
Tell me the truth.
I'm not winding you up.
Ricky, man, I can't fucking believe it, mate.
Where you from?
I'm from Newport. I am in Wales.
Oh, Wales, yeah? Okay, nice. You hear his reaction? So sick, man. That was tough, man. I'm reading comments while I'm live. Like, man's going, it lagged. Did it lag? You didn't lag on the spin, did it? When I spun? We're ready, man.
Saffron's, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to
So
meet
guys,
you.
we've got the winner here. Come down the family, cousin as well, you say, yeah?
Yeah, my cousin, my two boys.
Yes. How
My
you doing,
son.
man? Sorry, bro.
That's Zane.
Nice to meet
That's
you.
a man.
Big brother.
That's big.
You're RS3, yeah?
Crazy one. Just
Yeah.
on the off chance, one ticket, man.
In the morning.
In the morning. Got up one morning, just looked at it, seen
Yeah.
the message, and I thought, why not?
Yeah.
You know, give it a go.
Your sons, did you guys not know we won it, or?
No,
you didn't know?
No. I said to them, I said, listen, get downstairs, I'm coming home now. They thought they were in trouble. So when we got home, I was just ecstatic, you know what I mean? I was just over the moon.
My bro, this car is mint. Like, I think it's PPF at the front as well, so you can see we've got PPF. Yeah, it's on the bonnet as well, so you ain't got to worry about the front end. You can wipe this. Yeah, check the car out, bro. Look at it. Look at the interior. I've owned an M3 F80. I've owned F82 M4, and I can tell you that it's an M3, bro.
Yeah.
Obviously not on the logbook, but
Of course.
you know, there's nothing. The gearbox works fine and it's tuned. You got the pin crank. Like, you don't need to do anything to it. I don't know if you even see the video.
Yeah,
but
I watched the videos.
Yeah, so like, bro,
Seen,
you got everything.
Nick going through it all like that.
Everything, man.
Okay.
Everything. And it's been taken to BMW. You've got receipts for the engine, gearbox. Thank you, guys. Have a safe trip, yeah? Take it easy. Cheers! Let's go, Joe. 1M business. Gone. Last train long gone, bro. Right, so onto the main topic. How much do I make doing car giveaways? Now, before we do get into it, I just want to quickly say that Living Life Fast is still my main party gig, yeah? I don't have any other companies, I don't invest in properties, I don't run other businesses. Like, this is my main thing, yeah? Living Life Fast still dominates my life. And moving on to LLF Games, that's my only other company aside from YouTube. I earn ad revenue from. Obviously, over the years, you've seen me do adverts. And then LLF Games is my only other company. Right, now let's go on to an example of a competition. So the C63 AMG, remember the white one I did, the later generation one? I paid £35,000 for that car. And that's one thing to note as well, guys. I buy all my cars. So onto the C63, £35,000 we pay for that car. And when I say we, I have a 50% business partner. Everything I do is cut straight through the middle. We sold £50,000 in tickets, yeah? So let's just knock £35,000 off of 50,000. That leaves £15,000 profit. Now, to the calculator warriors, they're going to think that I took that £15,000 profit and I would have went and bought a Rolex, or I don't know, bought a car, or I don't know. Like, I think people think that LLF Games has funded all my cars and everything I do. For people that understand business, you'll know that there's expenses. So for example, I hire somebody full-time to manage all my Instagram and Facebook handles for LLF Games. He makes all of the iPhone content, so the daily posts you're seeing, all the iPhone content, all of the, you know, professional video shoots. I've got somebody hired full-time to provide that content. I also hire somebody who does all of the sponsored ads, so he makes creative ads for the sponsored advert. So when you're on Instagram or Facebook or YouTube and you see a sponsored advert, I have somebody specifically that makes that content. And also he knows how to target and sort of find people that may be interested in winning the car, yeah? So even that's a wage in itself. That's a big job that guy's got. Third thing, we've got photography. I have to get photo shoots done on these cars. Fourth thing, I need to get car insurance on these cars. Fifth thing, car storage. I mean, to just give you a rough figure on that, you're talking a good, you know, £2,000 to £3,000 at least, yeah? So let's knock £2,000-3,000 off £15,000 profit, yeah? That leaves us with about £12,000. Now, for the big hit, which some of you are not going to be ready for, is the actual advertising. How much we actually spend on sponsored adverts. On that Mercedes C63, right? Believe it or not, we spent around £15,000 on advertising, which means, yes, we was in the minus on the C63. Now, I'm not going to sit here and say to you that we don't make no money on these competitions, but to break even or make a loss is pretty common. And the reason why there's a loss on that car is because we didn't sell out all the tickets. We sold about 90% of the tickets, and that's the scary thing about these car giveaways, is most of your profit is sitting in the last 10% of the competition. Now, a lot of you
calculator warriors, yeah, because I'm going to call you calculator warriors because you've got so many idiots that you have to deal with. You know me, guys, I'm not a talker. I don't reply and comment back to people, but there are some silly people out there. Let's look at this 1M coupe for an example. That was a £50,000 car. We've made £95,000 in tickets available, right? That doesn't mean we're going to sell £95,000 in tickets. Yes, there's competitions that we have actually sold out, but we don't know if we're going to sell out or not. There is a live draw date that's announced at some point, and when that happens, that's when everything's on the line, basically. So this 1M, 50 grand motor, there's £95,000 in tickets available. It's unlikely that we're going to sell 100% of the tickets, right? So you can already knock 10 to 15 grand off that, yeah? So that leaves £80,000, yeah? So that leaves £30,000 in the pot. On a car like the 1M, we could spend 20, 25,000. We could even spend 30,000. There's no idea on what we're going to spend advertising this car. We may break even. We may take a hit on this car. Even the touring, like, I can't say what I paid for the car. So I don't know if Nick, the owner, will be happy with me saying or announcing it online. But we paid a lot of money for that car, yeah. Now that is a super rare car. If there's any car to make money on, it would have been that car. And we did make money. We made at least £20,000 on that car. You guys would have been like, oh, they're going to make 100 grand. Like, what? Like, they paid 20,000. No, we didn't pay £20,000. Like, guys, we paid some serious money for that car. Just like the C63 competition, we didn't sell out all the tickets. Most of these competitions, you don't sell out all of the tickets, yeah? So you have to sort of compensate, and you have to have X amount of tickets in there. It's all down to the final 24 hours. You know, look, I just hope that's give you a little bit more of an idea of how these competitions work, what I make on them. I'm not trying to paint it as a negative thing, like we don't make money, but, you know, I think as the brand grows, as we get bigger, definitely there's the potential to make a lot of money. Because think about it, even if you're making £5,000 off of a car, right, and you're doing 4 or 5 cars a week, that's where the money is. I am in the process of growing this platform. Like, this is my baby alongside Living Life Fast. So yeah, till next time.
Yo, what's a right or a left turn? Lamborghini make the heads turn. Enough fuel for the next journey. Man's wheel spinning, got the heads turning. Exhaust smoke like a fire burning. Just bought a bin, my man's buying German. Park where I want, didn't buy a permit. Wanna join the team, then buy a jersey. Full tank full of gas lead. We on